A8010 and A8810 series sugarcane harvesters. Cab roof tilting procedure. The cab roofs on sugarcane harvesters can be tilted. This video shows you the proper operating and safety procedures for tilting the roof when required. How do you tilt the cab roof? Stop the machine on a flat, safe surface. Apply the safety bars. Shut down the engine. Turn off the main switch. Check the conditions of the platforms, ladders, and handrails, and make sure they are secure. Use PPE, read the manual, and understand all the safety rules for work at height before you proceed. Raising the roof. To tilt the roof, loosen the protective covers on the pads located on the rear of the cab. Remove the nuts. Before tilting the roof, take note of the safety decal, then carefully tilt the roof. The cylinders will keep the roof raised. Closing the roof. When closing the cab roof, avoid accidents and proceed as follows. Pull the safety strap to start closing the cab roof. Warning: make sure your hands are clear of the roof while it lowers and closes. Wait for the roof to lower and fully close. Reinstall the nuts and protective covers on the pads. This video does not replace the information in the operator's manual.